I've wired the ZIPMUNK to drive these three pumps. One of them is pumping rum, one of them is pumping vodka, and the other one Coke. I've also got the LED lamp connected, and I've programmed it so that it uses the onboard mic, which then sends the audio stream to a computer where the voice is processed and the commands are sent back down. So in this particular case, I'm using the existing connections to drive 3 DC motors, which are the 3 pump motors. I've written some basic software that sends audio to a local server for processing. The onboard button becomes a push-to-speak button, and when activated, sends my speech to my local computer, which then sends it to a service such as Google Dialogflow. The speech is converted to text, and an AI agent determines if there is a match to one of the many intents I've trained. Those details are sent back down to the ZIPMUNK and processed accordingly. If the intent is to turn on or off the light, the connected LED bulb is driven with a PWM to a preset brightness. For intents that require the DC motor to start, one of the 3 half bridges are turned on, thereby connecting power to one end of the motor. I'll be showing some debug messages as well. Let's give this a try. Turn on the lights. Turn off the lights. Give me some vodka. Pour me some rum. Give me a Captain Morgan and Coke.